Hi, this is Jane Langan, and I teach 12th grade language arts, and this is my screencast of my online module that I created. So as you can see, there's a table of contents with some of the support documents and due dates and some of the items I created. One of the first ones I'll show is this whole lesson is a lesson on kind of real world, and so I created one that is the interview. And what I did was I created this in Google Slides so that it can be easily accessible to all, and do quick presentation mode. So this is a module I created, and you can see that it goes through, it has contents listed here, and then it's about what makes for a good interview. I have a video option for students to watch, and then I also have some elements of choice built in. Here I have a screencast explanation I've done and embedded that into the Google Slides. And then here is their assignment. Like, this links them to the 50 most common interview questions, and then this links them to the Dropbox where they submit it. And then I also have a place for them to do peer feedback, so some good collaboration opportunities. This is a slide that I had a lot of fun with. It's basically just giving them options of different interviews to watch or not. And then they are going to be doing a mock interview, and I've given them a sample of a mock interview with a student. And then of course, if they need help, I have my email linked there, but they also can text me. Then I have a link to the objectives. These are the teacher pages, so this goes to the objectives. And then these are the standards. Lots of standards. This is for the whole section. And then I have a section here on differentiation. So this is going to be by nature differentiated for my different students depending on whether they're going to college or whether they're planning on pursuing a career. And so what they search for and what they choose to do with their interviews will be differentiated according to their interests. And then I also have some tips for teachers here. And of course, references. Got to have your references. So that was the interview, and then taking you back to the table of contents. Another one I did, let's look at resume writing. This one I did a Nearpod. And so you can see here what I've done was I built the whole lesson, and I think this is the student view. So it goes through, I have a hook, so this one has to do with resumes. It's from the movie Legally Blonde. It's cute. And then they have a little interactive quiz that they can take. And then I have a poll for them, and so this is just to see how many students do have resumes. And then after those activating strategies, now they have an opportunity to do a Bookit, and this Bookit is on resume writing. And if you don't know about Bookit, it's just a lot of fun. It's fun games, but I won't take the time to go through it right now. But basically, it's an activity where they can answer questions on what they might know on resume writing. And then after that, they are to make posts. So this is a collaborate board where they can make a post of their ideas, what should be included in a resume. And then I have another collaboration activity. They're doing this in groups where they're doing some of their own research. And then I have some tools to help them. This is just resume action words. And then a resume writing worksheet that they can use. And I also have a link here to Read Write Think's resume generator, and so they can interact with this one. And then finally, once they do create their resume, I have a link to Formative, which allows them, they can do some peer review. They can give comments to each other. It's very, very helpful. And so that is the Nearpod. And again, back to the table of contents, I just have quite a variety of activities for them to do, applications, networking, portfolio. They have lots they can work on. Thank you for watching.